Before I start, please consider subscribing and click the notification bell to never miss out on any future videos. In this video, I will be talking about how to download Google Chrome Canary web browser. Feel free to pause or rewind the video at any point. The first thing that we are going to do is go to a web browser. The next step is you're going to go to google.com. Once you go to google.com, type into the URL, which is right here, or right here, Google Chrome Canary. Once you enter it in, it should be the first one where it says google.com Chrome Canary features for developers, right here. You're going to click it, and I'll leave the link to this website in the description. Next, we are going to go and click this yellowish button right here where it says Download Chrome Canary. Once you click it, it's going to install it right here. Press open. It's going to start downloading. Once it is done downloading, it will automatically open a newly installed browser, just like this one, when it's done. Thank you for watching my video. I hope this video helped you download Google Chrome Canary. Please let me know in the comments if you would like me to do something different. This will help me improve for future videos. Thank you. See you next week.